Powerful seduction. Two words which are at the epitome of the new E-5008 when you set eyes on it. Its dynamic and assertive presence marry with a high-tech aesthetic. The sleek exterior boasts commanding 20-inch Aerotech wheels. Subtle notes of class and refinement are evident throughout. The innovative front grille is complemented by an elegant black band, which joins the new Pixel LED headlamps. Because nothing is more sophisticated than simplicity. Technology can also be emotive. The Peugeot iCockpit features a panoramic 21 HD curved display, complemented by digital eye toggles. The driver remains in complete control, with more than 40 driver assistance and safety systems, all in a living space that's a class above, with up to 7 seats, all accessible with ease. Because nothing is more instinctive than agility. With a battery soon to be produced in France, comes a class above BEV. And with performance and endurance, comes confidence. Class-leading range of 660 kilometers and high-speed charging, accessing 100 kilometers of range in less than 10 minutes. Because nothing is more powerful than sustainability. An exceptional living space, offering a unique combination of both 7 seats and up to 660 kilometers electric range. No other car comes close. The new Peugeot E-5008. The class above electric large SUV.